electronic parking brake problem. Motor is good, and cable, I checked cable on this, and one cable is total dead. So somebody have tried with battery directly here and cooked control unit. So now is to find out where is control unit. Control unit is somewhere there under the center console. To remove console, I open this. There was one screw. I open this, take out this. Same other side. One screw. Take out this. Take out this. 4 screws. And there in corners is 2 more screws. Here 2 screws in cigarette this place. And still is not moving, but we will see. And now in the rear. In the rear was this one. In here was 2 screws, one here, one here. First of all, must take out this. I don't know how it name. So now we see screw here, and after I think it's gonna go south. We will see. No, still is holding something. So must search. Yes, found 2 screws. One is here, another is there also, both sides. Still is not moving, something more. Finally found this. It's one more by the seat to make it good place to have. Must push the seat in absolute front and make it up with this. Same in other side. And now we have good place to. So we try to open. And here is bigger torques. What is it? $30. So it's 30. This side too. And now I open both sides and see it's moving. Yes, now it's moving. It's moving completely, everything. Big thing, so I stop video and I make after. Yes, I disconnect this small cable by pushing this here and take out this connector. And now I open this one and I see parking brake, control unit, and it smells. It means it's somebody cooked it. So try to open and see what it can be. and opened it, and here is burned. Here is a little bit, but and it was special screws, so I must make it, cut it and use normal screwdriver, but little bit this one damaged, but it doesn't matter. This is electronic park brake control unit. I have found out that one way was burned. Cleaned it, make nice, and after get soldering in and put inside one small cable. And now I have test drive it, and parking is working. So now put everything back like open, try to make it basic settings, and maybe it works. We will see. I've tested everything is working. Put back wheel. And now we put it all screws together, tight it, clean a little bit, and hopefully it will work. So this is Passat Basics, how to remove center console or how to change electronic parking brake control module.